Hello guys, this is Suman Bhattacharjee from Shomu's Biology, and we want to talk about a very interesting mnemonic today, and this is to remember leukocyte composition in our blood. We need to remember that for many times, especially in our school days. So I'm making this video for all the school learners. They want to remember the leukocyte composition in your blood. Remember one thing, leukocyte means white blood cells, and they are fighting against infection. So knowing their quantity in our blood is something that we all need to do. So let's begin with it. So the easy way to remember leukocyte composition in our blood is to remember one simple sentence, and that is, don't allow me to eat banana. That's all you need to remember. Let's say you hate banana, so you don't need to eat it. So it is never let me eat bananas. That is all about leukocyte composition. So if you remember these, you know the leukocyte composition. So let's start with why I say this sentence. And as per every single mnemonic video, you know that the red highlighted letters signifies something. So in this case, signification begins with capital N. That's for neutrophils. Maximum content starting from never, and the least content ending in B. So we are going from N to B in this order. So neutrophils 60%, very high content here. The second thing, L, lymphocytes 30%. Then the third one starts with M, monocytes 6% only. Then E, eosinophils 3% only, and then B, basophils 1%. So in our blood, if we talk about white blood cells, the neutrophils are of the maximum content 60%, then basophils are of the least, that is only 1%. So the ratio is something like 60-30, 6-3. So it's very easy to remember 60-30, 90% is gone, then you have 10 to go, and 10 is divided like 6, 3 and 1. Very easy to remember, guys. Nothing confusion in this particular part. So let's see now what is the exactly blood type and approximate normal length that is given in this table. You can easily see the total content of leukocytes in our body is 4,500 to 11,000. Now let's consider this total content of leukocyte to be 10,000, right? 10,000 leukocytes should be present. Now according to our formula here, neutrophils should be 60% of this 10,000, so that will be 6,000 neutrophils. 30% lymphocyte gives us 3,000 lymphocytes, and monocytes will be 6%, so obviously it will be 600, and eosinophils 3% means 300, basophils 1% of 10,000 means 100. So if total count of leukocyte is 10,000, then there will be 6,000 neutrophils, 3,000 lymphocytes, 600 monocytes, 300 eosinophils, and 100 basophils. That's easily you can calculate based on the idea, and that's kind of true, although there is a range of approximate normal range that may start from very low to very high, but this is something you can tell is as a very good and healthy leukocyte count for an adult human being. So that's how easy you can remember never let me eat bananas. Remember this particular mnemonics. So if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe, because that helps us keep going. Thank you very much, guys.